Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove a TikTok follower on your TikTok account by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application. Whenever you open the TikTok application, sometimes you will be generated into the home section or home page here. But then this is not the place that we need to be, so you just need to go into the profile, and this profile that you need to do is just go into your followers. In this followers, you just need to find out which account that you want to remove from your follower, so that those people will not gonna receive any information about your video. So after you find the account, you just need to go click these three small dots, and after that just go click remove this follower. And now you just need to confirm it, and now you already removed those accounts from your followers, so those account will not gonna receive the notification about your video that you upload on your account. So that's the way how to remove the TikTok followers. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.